This is the elevator at the Lisburn train station, the Thyssenkrupp MRL. Here it is. It's up to 1. The button doesn't light up. They got new doors, used to have the old doors, but they got a place in 2021 or 2020. But
this is lighting up.
I don't see light.
No.
Okay.
Look.
Oh yeah, light. 6 watts go up. There we go. Here, lift's going up. 9. Oh, it's not going up. Close the door. Got to close this door. There we go. Someone has the broken light, but I have light working. Oh, I'll try one more. Hopefully it goes up.
It's because the...
Okay, epic fail. Unfortunately I couldn't go up to it because it's just not working, but the stairs just blocked the way. So epic fail. That's it.